Yo guys, this is Sagar from AutoDevote.com. Tata Motors showcased the Nexon Aero at the Auto Expo 2018. The Nexon Aero is nothing but visual enhancements which is now sold in 5 accessory packages depending on the variant. You can pick the one which suits your budget and taste. The enhancements include body kit, gloss black roof, aero badging, illuminated scuff plates, seat covers, aero carpets and so on. There's no mechanical changes whatsoever, this is purely a visual upgrade. You can read more about the Nexon Aero and its accessory packages by clicking on the link in the description down below.
Take a look at the specs sheet over here. It has got 1.2 liter turbocharged Revotron engine. It makes about 110 PS and 170 Nm of torque.